Good morning, Boo-Boo. What do you got yourself into? Good morning, Boo-Boo. How you doing? How you doing? I'm glad you're consistent. I'm glad you're consistent. Always here. Well, good morning, guys. I'm here at the Starbucks all by myself. Look, nobody here. Oh my goodness. I'm having a good morning. Well, the doctor gave me an appointment 6 months from now. That means I dropped my blood pressure like 40 points. I had hypertension of 2 or almost into the critical section there, and it's just eating bad. Anyway, good morning. It's Mark, and it's the Wandering Reseller. I got my hat that looks old, but it's actually not. Red, white, and blue. But I'm all excited. We've been working on our service, our PostListing.ai. We tried to connect it like 6 months ago to eBay with all their changes. It was just almost impossible. So we just kind of took a break from it, kind of figure out what we were to do. I talked about it on the channel, saying it wasn't going to be for the public use, and you know, it was first designed to help me with my disabilities and make less mistakes for me. But now it's becoming so powerful, and you know, designed by somebody that wants to make less movement, less mistakes, versus someone that doesn't have those mistakes. It's just slightly different. It's slightly different. So, just saying that we just created a new dev section, so updates won't affect the main code, and so we're going to be doing, when we do start selling the service, it'll be updates once a month, and it'll go through a beta without affecting anybody, and you know, it's just going to be like a real service. We're not going to be like updating when people are using it, you know. We're going to make sure updates are done in the middle of the night, and we'll be letting you know updates and video tutorials, and there's a lot of little things got to do. So anyway, some people are walking up, so I'm gonna cut off here. I had to get away from Starbucks. Too many people. So I walked back to Newport Beach Bay. Oh, this is a harbor. The bay's that way a little bit. Beautiful out here. So the product is called PostListing.ai. That's the URL. And we're just registering some people that might be interested in some beta testing. Hopefully here in a few, maybe less than 2 months, we'll be live. So the service could be utilized. Like I said, we're really excited about where the product's gonna go, especially the couple updates after the product's live. I've already outlined like a couple months worth of work for reselling help, and I guess my main goal here is to eliminate work. If you buy online and you do sourcing through Facebook or Craigslist, or you know, or auctions online, and we're just going to create tools that help all those situations out. And right now we're going to be the first thing, the little perk we're going to add is I got the American Thrift Store Guide. That's every thrift store in America, and an ebook. So when someone's traveling, they can do a little research before they go there and see which ones are open, which ones are not. And it's kind of cool. That information will probably be inside in a section of the website someday at sourcing. It'll have, we'll have pretty much everything. It'll be a database of different things, antique malls, thrift stores, flea markets. Just can imagine all the different things that you can do with AI and the background of scraping Google and Facebook and all the different stores that we did. We generated leads for 20 years for companies doing this. So it's nice to have actually something for yourself, you know? And anyway, if you're interested in something different, PostListing.ai. And I appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching the channel as I'm still working on the videos, guys. I have some good videos coming up that are more positive, but what I do with the videos channel is just, it's my way of just talking and getting through all the challenges for reselling. And the wandering part is me traveling to buy and pick up my auction wins, and I travel pretty far distances, so it's kind of a tooth where I go and research areas, and then I'll have a bad moment with eBay, and we'll be frustrated with it. But those videos are going to slowly go away, and we'll be talking more about the service and the product and reselling, and hopefully, you know, obviously this, if you follow the channel, you know I have disabilities, so, and I write with my voice and I comprehend with my ears. So the products I'm creating are going to be more efficient than what other people might not know they need. So that's why I'm looking forward to this product, because it's something that helps me drastically as I turn into a part-time reseller. Full-time output. It gives me more time to create more products, clear the warehouse, get it, you know, get the inventory out of there, and maybe fill it up with new stuff. And I still got dreams to move into Arkansas and move into the reselling business to the middle of the country, save that 80 cents a package. And I love Arkansas. I just love the people, and I love the location, and I just I have property there, so we might be doing videos and me clearing it and building a home and building a warehouse, and that's the next 5 years. I don't plan on being down here much longer, even though I've been here for 30 years. It's beautiful, but I want something different in life. I want to be able to maybe rotate from there and back here and keep my residency here in California. So I have to be here more than 6 months out of the year, and maybe 5 months there. So I can have a little farm, you know, just prepare for my golden age. Anyway, thanks for watching. You guys have a great day. PostListing.ai, it'll be in the description. Post listing personal assistant is the tagline. So we're hoping to have it up and running fairly soon. Have a great day, guys.